So let's start magnetism today. Okay, magnetism ke will have two kind of question that will come in Manipal that I'll tell you. First topic is very easy, that is dot convention rule. Okay, so basically in the dot convention rule, they'll according to the dot, they'll tell you whether the current is entering or leaving. Got it? Like suppose if they mark the dot like at the entering side, suppose they have in this we have given the two inductor and two inductor are connected in series. Okay, and they ask you to calculate L equivalent. So how much it would be, that is depending on dot. If two dots are if two dots are there and both are at the entering side, that means they are in series connection. And for the series connection, L equivalent value is L1 plus L2 plus 2M. What is L1? L1 is the self inductance of the inductor L1. L2 is the self inductance of inductor 2. And what is M over here? That is mutual inductance between these two inductor. Okay, clear? Similarly, if we'll have dots are there, dots are both at the leaving side, like यहाँ से current enter कर रहा है, यहाँ से leave कर रहा है, this dot is also leaving side. So again both the currents are leaving, so in this case L equivalent would be equals to L1 plus L2 plus 2M. Technically this is known as series aiding connection. Got it? So in this we'll have the direct formulas only. Now after that, the next case, if two inductors are connected but one dot is at the leaving side and one dot is the entering side, means both are opposite. So for this particular case, L equivalent is how much? L1 plus L2 minus 2M. Similarly, if two inductors are there, what is L1? Like L1 is this one, L2 is this one, and M is the mutual inductance between these two inductor. So L1, L2. If two dots are there, one is at the entering side and one is at the leaving side, then also we'll have L equivalent would be L1 plus L2 minus 2M. So technically it is known as series opposing connection. Okay, got it? So if the dots are at the same side, then mutual inductance would be added, but if the dots are at the opposite side, then mutual inductance would be subtracted. Clear? Now instead of giving directly like in this form, they can give you indirect form also. See what is the indirect form. Like suppose if they are wound the coil, वो coil wound करके दिखा देते हैं like this. Okay, ये पीछे से आ रहा है. So see the difference. Here the current is entering, right, and here the current is leaving. तो यहाँ पे देखो करंट ऊपर से जा रहा है, वायर मैंने ऊपर से दिखाई है, और यहाँ पे करंट पीछे से आ रहा है. सो दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस. अगर इसी को इफ आई वांट टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू डॉट कन्वेंशन, देन इन दैट केस दिस वुड बी द case. Okay, so sometime they'll give you the question in this form or sometime they'll give you the question in this form, so you should know both the methods. Again I'm changing, like suppose we'll have material and अब इसमें current wire पीछे से जा रही है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड ना व्हाट आई वांट टू से. जैसे यहाँ पे ये एरो ऐसे, इसमें वायर पीछे से जा रही है लाइक दिस, एंड लिविंग साइड पे ऊपर से आ रही है लाइक दिस. सो इफ आई वांट टू कन्वर्ट दिस वन इनटू डॉट, तो इसकी डॉट कहाँ पे आएगी? दिस वन. ठीक है, तो जहां पे ऊपर से जा रही है वहां पे तुम्हारी डॉट आएगी. क्लियर? वन मोर केस इज देयर. 4 पॉसिबिलिटीज है. आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑल द पॉसिबिलिटीज. इसमें पीछे से आ रही है, but here the current is moving from here. करंट यहाँ पे कैसे जा रहा है, ऐसे, लाइक देन here, 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 here and here. So तुम देख सकते हो this one and this one is completely opposite. यहाँ पे भी करंट पीछे से जा रही है, यहाँ पे भी ऊपर से आ रही है, but see the direction of current. Here current is entering and here current is leaving. But यहाँ पे तुम बताओ अब करंट कहाँ से एंटर हो रही है, from the left hand side or from the right hand side? Tell me, like suppose this is left hand side and this end, so where should we mark dot over here? At the left hand side or the right hand side? Right hand side. It shows that current is entering over here, right? One last. So this should be very clear to you. I'll tell you how they'll give you the question. One question और टू क्वेश्चन, मतलब वन, एक तो क्वेश्चन आएगा ही आएगा मणिपाल में, मे बी टू, रेयरली टू है, एक क्वेश्चन आता ही है. सो हेयर द करंट इज अगेन एंटरिंग, यहाँ पे करंट इज लीविंग. ओके, ये इसके अपोजिट है जस्ट. सो अगेन विल हैव द इंडक्टर. नाउ टेल मी, करंट यहाँ से जा रही है, सो वेयर शुड आई मार्क डॉट ओवर हेयर? ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड अकॉर्डिंग टू यू? Current is entering from where? Yeah, so the current is entering over here. Okay, clear? You can take the screenshot of this or you can write it down, that's up to you. Sorry, here I marked wrong. So current is leaving here, तो current यहाँ पे आएगा. Okay, now suppose how they'll give you the question. They'll give you two inductor. Wait, do this, try this. Now you have to convert it into dot convention. Okay, just try this कि dot convention यहाँ पे कैसे आएगा. Here current is entering here, here, and then here, and then here. Okay, then so first one is the series aiding connection. तो यहाँ पे अगर मैं लगाऊंगी तो here ऊपर से देखेंगे, राइट, कि यहाँ पे करंट हमारा कैसे जा रहा है, ऊपर से जा रहा है, दैट मीन्स डॉट इज हेयर. अगेन इन दिस केस करंट ऊपर से जहां से जा रहा है वहां से देखेंगे, डॉट इज हेयर, सो दैट वन वुड बी L1 plus L2 plus 2M. नाउ इट्स क्लियर? Okay, we'll have one more formula that M is equals to K into K by root L1 L2. So what is M over here? M is the mutual inductance. Okay, what is K over here? K is the coefficient of coupling. K basically अगर तुम कहोगे तो constant ही है. Okay, so now based on this we'll have one question. तुम्हें मैंने अभी तीन formulas ही बताए हैं, L equivalent L1 plus L2 plus 2M, L equivalent L1 plus L2 minus 2M, and mutual inductance का formula is K divided by K is equals to, नहीं मैंने उल्टा बोल दिया, सॉरी, यहाँ पे ये आएगा, that is K is equals to M divided by root of L1 L2 L2. ओके, तो M की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? K इंटू रूट ऑफ L1 L2. ठीक है, तो इन फॉर्मुलेस पे बेसिस पे तुम्हारा एक क्वेश्चन आता है एंड दैट इज इजी ओनली. लाइक सपोज आई विल गिव यू वन क्वेश्चन जो तुम्हारे पेपर में आया हुआ है. दे सेड व्हेन टू कॉइल्स आर कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज, ओके, सीरीज में कनेक्टेड टू कॉइल्स, द इंडक्टेंस ऑफ द कॉम्बिनेशन इज फाउंड इन टू इक्विवेलेंट इज 20 मिली हेनरी. When two coils are connected in series, then L equivalent is how much? 20 millihenry. When two coils are reversed, reverse के केस में which formula will use? Tell me. Yeah, so in this case L equivalent is 12 millihenry, and they said if self inductance are in the ratio of 1:3. ठीक है, they have given ratio of self inductance. Self inductance means L1 and L2. Then they said you need to calculate the value for L1, value for L2, value for mutual inductance, and value for coefficient of coupling. See, in this case, L1 plus L2 plus 2m is equals to 20 into 10 raised to power minus 3, right? Then we'll have L1 plus L2 minus 2m is equals to 12 into 10 raised to power minus 3, correct? Then after that we'll have L1 by L2 is the ratio of 1/3. So we can say that L1 is equals to thrice of L1 is equals to L2. Yes or no? So we can सबसे पहले तो we'll have two equation, तो दोनों को ऐड कर दो. ऐड कर दोगे तो you'll 2m से 2m कट हो जाएगा, right? Then you'll have this one और L1 plus L2 और उसको twice, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? That would be 20 plus 12 millihenry. तो यहाँ से L1 और L2 की वैल्यू will get it. We can substitute it in any one of the equation, then we'll get m. तो m is equals to k into root of L1 L2. L1 पता है, L2 पता है, k पता है, m आ जाएगा, right? I'll tell you the answer also so that you can cross check it later on. L1 should be 4 millihenry. This should be in your homework. L2 should be 12 millihenry. Mutual inductance must be 2 millihenry and k is equals to 0.289. उसको मत करो मिली में, बट लास्ट में तुम्हें हेनरी में, मतलब हेनरी में भी दे सकते हो और मिली हेनरी में भी. ओके, see in this question they have given you this diagram. In this is your paper question only, and given you k12, k23, k31, L1, L2, L3. So basically we need to draw the diagram and convert it into dot convention. Here the current is entering, so entering means left hand side. Here also the current is entering means left hand side. Here the current is leaving, so leaving means right hand side, right? Because all these wires are connected. So this is entering, this is entering, and this is leaving. Clear? So now you need to calculate the values. You can get it easily. M12 would be equals to K12 root of L1 L2. K12 L1 L2 they have given you in the question itself. You just need to substitute the value. Similarly, M23 is K23 root of L2 L3. M31 should be equals to K31 root of L1 L3. So what should be the L equivalent? एक minute. L1 plus L2 plus L3, right? Now this one and this one both are entering, so it would be plus 2m12, right? And then minus 2m1 and 2, it's plus 2 and 3, it's entering and it's leaving. यहाँ पे enter कर रहा है और यहाँ पे leave कर रहा है, so it should be minus 2m23. ठीक है? Now see between 1 and 3, यहाँ पे 1 enter कर रहा है and 3 leave कर रहा है, so again it's minus 2m13. So you can substitute the values, then you will get the answer. If you'll solve it, M12, M12 is 0.34, okay, M23 is 0.22 and M31 is 0.25, okay. So after solving you will get L equivalent is 1.14, maybe 1.5, maybe 1.6, that depends. This is the answer. This is the question. You need to redraw the diagram. Okay, so see how will you redraw L1, L2, L3. Okay, for your convenience, I'm marking the A1, A2 else also. This point would be A1, A2. Okay, then B1, B2, then C1, C2. Correct? So this would be L equivalent. So this is the dot convention diagram. L1 and L2 के केस में entering, L3 के केस में leaving, right? So ideally L equivalent should be how much? L1 plus L2 plus L3 as it is. तो L1 and L2 के बीच में same, so it would be plus 2M12, right? L2 and L3 के बीच में it's opposite, so it would be minus 2M23. L1 and L3 के बीच में also it's opposite, one is entering and one is leaving, so it would be minus 2M31. And M you can get it how? By the formula M12 is equals to K12 root of L1 into L2. M23 is equals to K23 root of L2 L3. M31 is equals to K31 या K13 L1 L3. I'll tell you again the values क्या आएंगी. M12 is 0.35 Henry, M23 is 0.50 Henry, M13 is 0.45 Henry, and the final equivalent would be L equivalent would be 4.32 Henry, something like L equivalent something 0.5 या फिर 0.49. Both are correct. Got it?